Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for application, that is VBA series that is running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn briefly about the VBA do while loop. The VBA do while and do until loops are very similar. They will repeat a loop while or do until as a condition is met. So here you can see how the do while syntax actually looks like. So here the condition means the condition to test and do something means the code block to repeat. You can also set up a do while loop with the condition at the end of the loop. So here let's write and run a code by using the do while loop. We need to go to the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic Editor. Here insert a new module by going through insert and click on module. So here we need to write our code. As usual, we need to at first type the sub following the sub procedure name. I am naming it as do while loop, right? Hit enter, come to the next line, indent your code by pressing the tab. Now it's time to declare our variable. I am declaring n as my variable by using dim, right? And the type of my variable will be as an integer, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now type n equals to 1. Now here we are going to actually use the do while loop. So type do while n is less than 11. Hit enter, come to the next line, indent your code. Now here type msg box that will appear and show you the message whatever you want to show, space n. Hit enter, come to the next line, type n equals to n plus 1. Hit enter again. Now unindent your code. Here type loop. That's all, your code has been completed. Now what actually this code will do? This code will run pop-up in your Excel workbook and show you the message until the number is 10, right? This will count 1 to 10 into the message box. So let's run that code and let's see what happens. Run this code by clicking here. Look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So that's all about the do while loop. Stay with this channel. We are going to use this code in a practical work into my next videos. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is loop while. Now click on insert and insert a new module again, where we are going to actually use the next code, right? So here in this code we are actually going to move the condition to the end of the loop. The rest of this code is in the same procedure. We need to type sub following our sub procedure name, and I am naming it again as do loop while. Now don't worry, you will get the link of downloading this workbook into my description box. In the next line we need to declare our variable by using dim, right? Dim, I am declaring n as my variable and the type of my variable will be as an integer, right? As integer. Hit enter, come to the next line. Now type n equals to 1. Now here type do, that means the do while loop. Hit enter and indent your code by pressing the tab button. Now type msg box n. Hit enter, come to the next line of msg box. Type n equals to n plus 1. Hit enter, unindent your code. Now here we are going to use the do while loop. Now type here loop while n is less than 11, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Now that's all, your code has been completed. Now this code will give you an output as the same of our previous code of do while loop, right? So let's run that code and let's check what it gives as an output to us. Run that code. Look at here, it is showing you the result as similar as before we have got. It has counted from 1 to 10 in this case. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with the next part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.